How to create demo account on MetaTrader 5. Now in order to do this, just simply open your web or application in your phone, and after that search for MetaTrader 5 if you have opened the web. Then open this site of MetaTrader 5 web platform, and after opening this, scroll down to all the way to bottom and tap to try web platform features, and you will see this page. Now in order to create a demo account, you just simply need to enter your name, surname, email address, phone number, and then if you want to use hedge in trading, you can enable this box, otherwise you can leave it. Then you need to select your account type between these 6 account types. Just simply select it and then enter your deposit amount and enter your leverage from this section. Just simply select your leverage and then tap to this box in order to agree with terms and policies, and tap to open demo account, and your demo account will be opened in MetaTrader 5. This way you can do it very easily. I hope you understood all the process. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.